Ever feel shy or robotic when you introduce yourself? Here's how to sound natural and confident. Start with something simple. Hi, I'm Malaika. Nice to meet you. Or, hello, my name's Malaika. Easy, friendly, and clear. Next, give a quick detail. I'm from Nigeria. Or, I work as a full-stack developer. This makes your intro more interesting. Then, share a fun fact. In my free time, I love reading novels. Or, I enjoy cooking new recipes. This shows personality and invites conversation. Let's put it all together. Hi, I'm Malaika. I'm from Nigeria, and I work as a full-stack developer. In my free time, I love reading and cooking. Nice to meet you. What's your name? See? Natural and smooth, and encourages conversation. Bonus tips: smile, keep eye contact if possible, and speak slowly. Confidence is key. Practice a few times and it gets easier every day. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart English.